What is up, YouTube? It's the Hitman coming to you with the second box break. Yes, sir. Look at that right there. I jumped on eBay real quick, and they're going for about. I know there's some out there that sold for when I guess this is usually in the beginning. I didn't check the dates actually. There was some that sold for like 100, and but the ones that I've seen so far is like 150, 200, and the one up there, there's a couple of up on eBay right now. One of them has his listed at 300, of course, or best offer. So he'll probably get whatever he can out of that. But alrighty, let's get on with box number 2. See what we get in this one. See if we get a good hit out of this one too. Hopefully in this one I won't take as long. I'm just gonna try to go through them. It's quicker than I did the last one. But yeah, that Manny Machado was a good one. That's, like I said, that's what I wanted to see, one of them. David Freese, Bryce Harper. Put those right there. Paper Funenku paper prospect. Steven Romero, right? Romero paper prospect. Ikuma gold. And we got a Josh Hamilton Towning country, I guess you call that. Chrome, Matt Hinkle, Wade Hinkle, and Roy Bautista Chrome prospects. We got a Bentley and a Murrow. Here we go. Come on now. Open up. Get out there. Got a Brett Jackson, Alex Rodriguez, Luis Sanders paper prospect for the Rangers, paper prospect Evan. Got an orange in here, gold Dan Ugla, orange of Ryan Volsong, orange. And that is numbered 21 of 250. Orange. Got a chrome Matthew Crotch prospect and a chrome Jose Ramirez prospect. Got a Derek Holland. I have a feeling I'm gonna have a I'm gonna have a stack of my Rangers, about as big as I have a regular stack. Here we go. Alrighty, we got a Anthony Goose, Adrian Beltre, Matt Kemp, paper prospect for William Astudillo, paper prospect for William Oliver, gold of Escobar, top 100, number 88. Oh my goodness, Daniel Vogenberg. That's a big guy right there. Damn, he don't even fit his helmet. His head don't fit the helmet. Or helmet don't fit his head, excuse me. Victor Sanchez, chrome prospect. Hudson and Upton. Back-to-back Braves. Alrighty, come on. Alrighty, let's see. Weaver, Texterera. Alan Craig, this guy, paper prospect. Chris McFarland. Gold of Jeff PV, chrome prospect of Danny Muno, chrome prospect of Tony Renda, Kevin Youkilis, and Alfonso Siriano. Alfonso Siriano. Robinson Cano, Sterling Castro, paper prospect of Todd Kibbe, paper prospect of Matt Whistler, Troy Tulowitzki, Gold Town and I guess Town and Country, Jason prospect, that guy, and a Chrome prospect, Mark Montgomery, and a Rodney Freeman, Chrome prospect. Kippens and Hioki Kaduga, something like that. Tearing up his name, but it's alright. Paul Goldschmidt, Voslin Ryan, and a paper Stitties, paper prospect of this clown. Gold of Janice Brett prospect, ice card. Prospect of Beetle Chrome, that's a Chrome one. Another Chrome, Tyler Scott prospect. And then we got a Lester and Bentley. Ibanez, Grendel, paper prospect of Rendon, paper prospect of Max White, gold of Carlos Gonzalez, a mini chrome refractor of Jado Galinko, Jeff Galish, chrome prospect, Cozart, Michael Young, and Jason Jim. Alrighty, Wade Smiley, Cespedes, AJ Brzezinski for the PC. Prospect of Gillian, that's paper. Brandon Maurer, paper prospect. Gold Ethier, got a mini chrome refractor of David Hall. I have him already. I got him earlier. Clayton Blackburn, chrome prospect. Ian Kennedy and Ario. Alright, here we go. Aaron Hill, Kendrick, paper prospect of Danny Salazar. Kristen Vanueva, paper prospect. Gold of Justin Pedroia, Town Country, Carlos Sanchez, paper. A Harold Castro, chrome prospect. A Michael Reed, chrome prospect. Alex Rios and Cliff Lee. Everything everywhere. Ooh, got a mini blue. Carlos Beltre, a Lance Lynn, a paper prospect of Tanner Reiner. Let me get these straightened out a little bit. They're going everywhere already. Haven't got any rookie cards yet. Paper prospect of Lucas. A gold of Shelby Miller. Oh, that's a rookie card. Excuse me. A blue mini. I don't know what these are called, but they look like they're, you know, see how they're kind of sparkle. I'm not too sure what they're called. That is a nice one though, and it's numbered 53 out of 250. It's a Christian Betancourt. I'm waiting, like I said in the other video, waiting for an auto. A Chrome Dorsey Polino Chrome Prospect, a Rivas, Swisher, and Reddick. I'm waiting for a redemption auto from him. Alrighty, we got a Johanna Santana, Evan Longoria, Dickerson, Corey Dickerson prospect paper, Gabriel and Chan prospect paper, gold of Adam Rainwhite. I don't know why I showed you that prospect card. A prospect Pedro Guerrero chrome, a prospect of Travis Weatherspoon, a Odorizzi, and a rookie, oh, both of them are rookie of AJ Ramos. Odorizzi and AJ Ramos rookie cards. Now I'm getting some of the rookies. Buster Posey, Josh Williamson, Carlos Sanchez prospect paper, gold Brett Laurie, town and country prospect, Gabriel Guerrero, a chrome prospect of Moore, Jeremy Moore, and Jennings and Walker. Jason Rareth, Flat Dexter Flowers, a Lynn Hinsky paper, prospect again, gold of Joe Mauer, prospect card, prospect chrome of Ben Ronan, prospect of Jake Thompson, Dylan Bundy rookie, and rookie of Paco Rodriguez. They killed Paco. Who killed Paco? CC Sabathia, Billy Butler, Adrian Gonzalez. Was 3 veterans. Cody Buckles prospect paper of Dylan Herrera, whatever his name is, Herrera. Mariano Rivera gold, a Kev Dillon chrome prospect, Cody Buckles chrome prospect, a Brock Holt rookie, and a Ryan Wheeler rookie. Matt Moore, Roy Halladay, Shane Broyles prospect paper, gold Torrey Hunter. Oh man, I got my autograph, but it's okay. Wasn't all that. Renato Nunez from the A's, and it's not numbered, and this one will go in a always wipe my fingerprints off. This is a jewelry like watch cleaner to wipe your face of your watches off. It's real soft and it's non-abrasive, so I use it to take my fingerprints off. So it looks good. And I'm not going to take I'm not gonna take forever like I did. And prospect chrome of this guy. Oh, there's another one back there. And a rookie of Solis, and then Garcia and Eric Hosmer. Alrighty, we still got these packs to go. I already got my auto out of it. That one wasn't all that. But let's see if there's any other special inserts, something nice that we get. Henry Ramirez, Joey Votto, Mark Trumbo, Patrick, that guy's last name, paper prospect, Tyler Henning, paper prospect. Got the UDARB gold. Got a top 100, number 79, Delino DeShields for the Astros. Chrome prospect, Michael Snyder, I think his last name is. And then we got a Zorbit and a Fister. Alright, let's see something nice come out of here. Can't get them all. Prince Fielder, Markham, Sandburn, prospect paper. Got a gold for the PC, Kinsler. Got the Sapphire of Andy Pettit. That's nice. The rookie reprints. Warfado Rodriguez, Chrome. Mike Trout, Adam Dunn, and a Matt Harris for the PC. Uh-oh, cards going everywhere. Still looking for a nice color, maybe a superfractor, non-auto, I don't care. Something. Cody Ross, Alonzo, Chris Davis, prospect of Edwin Diaz, paper. Got a prospect of Dane Phillips, paper. Ooh, gold. Manny Machado, a mini chrome refractor. Got again. Bet the court. I got his blue one. Man, matter of fact, that's the last one I just put on there. That one's on top of it now. Joe Faco, chrome. We got a rookie, Tyler Sags, and that Fajuda, whatever his name is. Those are both rookies. Down to about the last 6 packs. Justin Upton, John Jay, prospect of this guy, paper. This guy, paper. Gold of Henry Rodriguez, Town and Country of Saldivar Perez, and then a chrome prospect. And then we got the rookie of Melky Mesa and a Miguel Cabrera. Cards right there. Five packs left, ladies and gentlemen. See if we get something else. Anything. Maybe an extra auto. You never know. You just never know. Felix Hernandez, Cole Hamels, prospect paper. Tyler Claude, rookie, gold. Prospect card. Rookie, prospect, chrome for the PC. Rookie, not rookie, I don't know why I said rookie. Prospect, chrome. And a Worley and a Kimball. 4 packs left. Nothing. Alright, let's see. Ryan Zimmerman, Molina, Mitch Nay prospect paper. Prospect Taylor Shaw prospect paper. Gold of Trevor Bauer. Town and Country Mike Morse. And then prospect Chrome. Prospect Chrome Zach Bird. A Pagan and a Ike Davis. 3 packs left. Carlos Santana, Brian Phillips. We got a prospect paper Reese, prospect paper gold Ian Desmond. We got a Jonathan Singleton mini refractor. That's a nice one. Stephen Piscotty chrome prospect. And then we got a Latos Mustakas and a Hunter Pence. 2 packs left. Let's see, what can we get? We got a Jason Hayward and David Wright. Paper of Matt Milton prospect. David Murphy gold for the PC. An ice of chrome prospect of Patrick Leonard. Chrome prospect of Chris Howe. Didn't I just get this clown? I think I did. Wasn't he the autograph? I think he was the autograph, wasn't he? Oh no. It was Ranto Nunez. Alrighty. Dickey and Encarnacion. Last pack, ladies and gentlemen. See what we get. Alrighty, we got a Chris Sales, a Brandon Beachy, got a Anderson Felice prospect paper, Brian Buxton prospect paper, Austin Jackson gold prospect card, Jonathan Scoops chrome prospect, Colin Wills chrome prospect for the PC, excuse me, and Gino Gonzalez and a Oswald Cabrera rookie. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, that is it. My second hit out of this box wasn't all that, but got a couple of nice things. Got that little mini. Got the little mini blue refractor from Kristen Bethencourt. Then I got this Jonathan Singleton. That wasn't too bad. Overall, second box wasn't all that, but the first box I got the good hit out of it anyway. Alrighty, YouTube. Like I said, I ordered some cards. I think it was just yesterday, so probably in a couple of days I should be getting about 3 or 4 packages. So I'll be coming back to y'all with mail days. Alrighty, YouTube. The Hitman out.